Welcome to Newbie Poorman Cooking. Today, we're going to prepare a classic Filipino dish that bursting with flavor. Pork and string beans adobo or adobong sitaw. Actually, this is one of my favorite Filipino dish and I'm excited to show you how to make it. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you need. 6 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of onion, set of string beans, pork belly thinly sliced. It's optional but it adds great flavor. 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 cup of water. Let's prepare some ingredients. Start by crushing the garlic cloves to release their flavor. After crushing, thinly slice the garlic. This will provide the robust garlic flavor to our dish. Slice the onion thinly. This cut adds a nice texture and flavor to our dish. Prepare the set of string beans or sitaw by cutting them into 2 inches long pieces. This will make them easier to cook and eat. Heat the frying pan, then add thinly sliced pork belly and sear it until it releases its flavorful juices and turn brown. Once the pork is nicely seared, add your crushed garlic and thinly sliced onions. Give them a quick stir and let them cook for about 2 minutes until they become aromatic and slightly translucent. Now, it's time to create the delicious adobo sauce. Pour in the soy sauce, vinegar, and water. Give it a good stir to mix everything together. Cover your pan until it simmers for about 15 minutes. This allowed the pork to become tender and absorb all amazing flavors of the sauce. Don't forget to add a pinch of ground black pepper for that extra kick of flavor. After 15 minutes, it's time to add the star of our dish, the string beans or sitaw. Just toss them in the pan. Gently stir the string beans into the sauce, making them well coated. Let them cook for additional 3 to 5 minutes until they tender but still crisp. And there you have it, our pork and string beans adobo. It's best served with hot steamed rice. I hope you enjoyed this classic Filipino dish as much as I do. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Newbie Poorman Cooking.